important. When your patient arrives and they lie down on the treatment table, the table should be grounded.
Mm-hmm.
There's a crisis in therapies, in the bodywork community. There's a crisis. People are dropping out. People who love their work, but their bodies are falling apart. The reason their bodies are falling apart is because the patient has inflammation. As soon as they touch the patient sucks the electrons out of the therapist. And if the patient is grounded, that won't happen. I gave my massage therapist a grounding system. She went from 5 massages a day and feeling exhausted to 10 massages a day, feeling great. She doubled her income and did a lot more work and better work because her patients were grounded.